हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल सभी को। जीएस न्यूज़ में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। आज हम बात करेंगे एनआईएस डीलेट हाई कोर्ट की सुनवाई। जैसा कि हम आपको बता दें, एनआईएस डीलेट गुवाहाटी हाई कोर्ट में एनआईएस डीलेट की सुनवाई चल रही थी। इसमें कहीं ना कहीं एनआईएस डीलेट की तरफ पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट देखने को मिला, क्योंकि जो वकील थे बार बार इस बात को जरूर कह रहे थे कि 18 मंथ का कोर्स है, उसके बाद ये अनट्रेंड टीचर के लिए वन टाइम के लिए ओडीएल माध्यम से कराया गया था। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो भी कह रहे थे कि जो इसमें सेशन दिया गया है या इंटर्नशिप किया गया है, उसने एनसीटी ने अपने आधार का प्रयोग करते हुए उनको 18 महीने का कराया। लेकिन ये अगर देखा जाएगा तो ये 24 मंथ का है, क्योंकि वो कहीं ना कहीं वो ऑलरेडी पढ़ा रहे थे इसलिए। और दूसरी चीज़, ये फ्रेश भर्तियों के लिए भी इसमें कहीं नहीं कहा गया कि वन टाइम के लिए, उन्होंने कहा ये फ्रेश भर्तियों के लिए भी। देखिए, आप पूरा सुन सकते हो।
First is that it's a complete misreading of the Supreme Court judgment to say that the 18 months course has been delayed, right? Because the Supreme Court judgment, and I will take a lordship's way, very clearly says that this is a one-time window of opportunity for in-service teachers, for which the second proviso to Section 23 subsection 2 was brought about, and to give them the minimum qualification in terms of Section 23. So once because I am qualified, the questioner therefore might be non-biased qualification sections under Section 23. So that's one. Two, my lords, the judgment also in terms of equivalence, now because the second submission, it says that there's a finding of the court, and correctly so in the case of, because in the case of Uttarakhand, the court was considering the matter, there was a 2-year stipulation. The court said that there can be no equivalence when the rule says 2 years, and you cannot therefore have an equivalence in 18 months. But it also showed the way, where in paragraph 51, the court says that all that it is required is for the NCT, who respondent number 4 before your lordship, is to issue a circular that a mandamus can be issued to them, because it is already a stated stand that they can issue, if the need arises, to issue a circular superseding that 2 years and saying that 18 months is also. And not only your projected this. Yes. And third, predicted in the hearing, but on a careful reading of the judgment. Mr. Azurika, can I just some queries, if I can just ask? The scheme of things that was there in that 18 months was limited to the in-service teachers, to make them at par with the qualifications under the RT Act. Absolutely. Then the regulations of NCT, which was holding the 10, 12, 14, were never corrected or were never amended. It continued to have that 2-year prescription. I have failed to find out, that's what I want from you. I failed to find out a notification from or a decision of the NCT saying that these two qualifications are the same. Now, this equivalence came to be declared by the Patna, right? Followed by the Tripura High Court. So, beyond these two judgments, is there an independent decision of the NCT that these two qualifications are the same, equivalent? One. I will put it second point. The rules that we have here in the state says no qualification is prescribed. It says it will be in tune with the qualifications that would be prescribed by NCT from time to time. That you will get it in page 293 of our manual. Yes. Now, NCT having not amended it, and the Supreme Court having said that the law laid down by Patna High Court is a bad law, where do we stand today? That is why the first submission was important. Because the Supreme Court made a decision. Let me first address your two queries. There are the NCT regulations at page 129 here of 22nd of September 2017. Which my lords, are issued because in terms of a section 57 direction. The lordships at page 129, lords. I got that. Yes. So this is of 22nd of September of 2017. What does it say, my lords? If your lordships will come to page 131, I will, my lords, no, my lords, I will read from the beginning because this is important. I will read, my lords, 2, 3. The first recital, where is the matter of recognition? My lords, I'm reading from 129, your lordships. Let's read it carefully. 129, where is the matter of recognition of the project proposal of NIOS, Program to Swayam Portal for Training of In-Service Untrained Teachers are considered by NRC, and NRC overserved as follows. Whereas NCT has received directions under Section 29 of the NCT Act from the Ministry of Human Resource Development, dated letters number so-and-so. The project proposal for recognition of diploma in elementary education program through ODL mode has been submitted by National Institute of Open Schooling to NCT headquarters. The proposal is for conducting online EID program through the Swayam portal of the Ministry of HRD for the in-service untrained teachers at elementary level working in government and government-aided private schools. So therefore, it is for in-service teachers that it is pursuant to the direction of the MHRD. Then I come to the last reciting, and whereas in view of the above mentioned directions of Human Resource Development under Section 29 of of the NCT, because under the NCT Act issue, in particular the powers under clause 12 of so and so regulation, granted relaxation within NCT headquarters for implementing the amendment to the RT Act. What is the amendment to the RT Act? That they have to be eligible in terms of section 23. So therefore, therefore, though it is not stated, but that it is not a question of an equivalence. It is a question of a qualification being acquired under section 23. Now, therefore, now, if you need to come big Roman 2, any provision relating to the duration of the program so as to reduce it to 18 months instead of 2 years and the requirement of 6 months internship to be subsumed within the duration of 18 months. Now, Roman 3. Any requirement of minimum eligibility for admission to DED program, that is 50% marks in class 12 to the extent that those who do not fulfill this requirement should be allowed to take provisional admission to a program subject to the acquiring 50% marks for completion of the DED program. Now, Roman 5. Any provision of the number of people who are affected. Any provision prescribing the number and nature of study centers to enable NIOs to cater to around 10 and 11 lakh untrained teachers. So in Assam alone, 11 lakh applied, and there are at least 165 before your lodging. Now your lodging will turn over the page to 131. So now these are the directions. Recognitions. After having considered, whereas was the first recital on this thing, and after having considered all the above facts and figures, the NRC considered the case in its 27.5, so decided that recognition to be granted on National Institute of Open Schooling, Noida for DEID program to Swayam Portal of MHRD for training of in-service untrained teachers. This is a separate category under section 14 of the NCT Act. Any direction you want to highlight here in page 131? It is a recognition. It is not a direction. It is recognition. Once it is recognized, then it comes within the ambit of section 23(1). Now, may I take a logic to the judgment? Because the judgment makes a distinction between fresh recruitment. That is why they said this is only a one-time window of opportunity. I think there is a further minor that this was only for the in-service category. Yes, but there are no. So today, the petitioners before your lodges are all in-service. If this program 18 months was open to all, yes, then it would have been a different ballgame altogether. But it was only limited to the in-service teachers and for the purpose to have them qualified in terms of the RT Act. Now, it has also come on note that this 18 months was required because that was the only time left for the last day for compliance of the RT Act. And the exceptions have been gone into by the Supreme Court. And the court says make the distinction. So
जैसा कि आपने सुना कि इसमें देखिए ये कम से कम 37 मिनट की सुनवाई हुई है, लेकिन हमने बहुत थोड़ा सा कम आपको दिखाया इसमें कि क्योंकि आपको ये सारी चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाए, कहीं ना कहीं NIST के तरफ ये केस अब मुड़ेगा और कहीं ना कहीं जैसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बहुत सारी चीज़ें फाइल हो रही है, उसमें तो उत्तराखंड का जो केस था वो अलग था, ये सारी चीज़ें उसमें डिस्कस हो रही हैं कि और बात यही है। अगर वीडियो पसंद है तो चैनल को लाइक करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करें। शिक्षक भर्ती की अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मिलते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ। जय हिंद साथी, नमस्कार।